What's going on, NEXT Bluprint community? Mike Opid, owner of NEXT Bluprint, and this video, I'm really excited about talking to you guys about this one because we are literally talking about video. How to use video to generate more business, get you more clients, get you to just the levels that you want to get to. That's what this video is all about. So just how powerful is videos? I'm sure you guys have probably watched them at some point by now, right? Probably scrolling on your phone, probably looking through YouTube or social media. Look, 93% of brands said in the last year that they actually generated a business of some sort because of videos they put on social media. How crazy is that? 93% of brands saying they're doing business because of a video they posted. That's how powerful it is. That's why if you are not using video, this is the time to start using it. Get into it, get excited, and guess what? It's not difficult to do. I'm going to share with you just how you can create awesome videos for no money or next to no money and very simply do this. It's not that complicated. So get that idea out of your head. It's not difficult. You don't have to spend tons of money. You don't have to get production companies. You literally have the power to do everything you want to do in the palm of your hand. That phone is all you need. All right? So let's get started. What's the first thing you need to do? I just touched on it. Use your phone. All right? The cameras that these phones have that I'm recording right now on my iPhone are insane. These cameras are HD, they're 4K, they're insane. They're amazing. Use your phone. Don't go spend thousands of dollars on some crazy camera that you're only going to use for videos. You could do that if you have the cash. If you want to go buy something, fine. But you really only need to use your phone. Start messing with your phone. Start playing around with it. Start taking videos if you don't do it already. Chances are you probably have already recorded a ton of stuff on your phone anyways. There's so much memory on these things. But now you could take that phone and use that for your business. So that's the first thing is use your phone. Don't go spend a bunch of money on anything crazy, all right? But the one thing about your phone is that the camera on it is amazing, but the microphone is not, all right? So if you are going to spend a little bit of money, I highly suggest you spend it on a lapel mic. Look, I got mine right here, this little bad boy, all right? It's a wireless one. It attaches to my phone. I got it right here. People can now hear me clear, right? You could totally understand what I'm saying. It doesn't sound like I'm shouting in the distance. It literally sounds like I'm talking to you. You need to be clear when you are doing these videos because people need to understand what you're saying. This is where also subtitling could have a huge impact on your videos as well because even though some people watch with sound on, many don't. So at the same time, think about using subtitles. But back to cameras, or back to microphones. Another option is, if you don't want to do the lapel thing, is you can get a boom mic. If you ever heard of a boom mic, it's literally what they use in movies. It's a thing that hangs over when the characters are talking and the actors and actresses are doing their thing. That's all a boom mic is. You can get a cheap one. You could strap it to the top of whatever you're using to record or just have it lay next to a camera whenever you're doing it. And it will capture pretty much everything around you. These are fantastic when you are interviewing someone or you have somebody else in the picture with you and you want to get both of that conversation that you guys are having. Use a boom mic, all right? They're not very expensive. Look them up on Amazon, maybe 10 to 20 bucks, right? Now, the next thing is, though, lighting. Again, our cameras on our phones are great, but the lighting they have, kind of doesn't exist. So your phone is actually only going to pick up the light you see around you. And if you're not in a well-lit place that really is perfect for the lighting, your camera's going to see what it sees, all right? That's what your phone's going to pick up. So we suggest, get a ring light or something like that. I'm recording this right now, and I got a ring light going, and it's just like the phone is right in front of it, and it just gives me enough light. I also have this bad boy, too, all right? So, there's light coming up from the back. I did some research and they said that this is a good way. You kind of want to light everything when you're recording. That's why we do that, right? And the cool thing is, like, if I didn't move, you would never have known that bad boy was back there, right? So now you got that extra light. I got the ring light going. I look sexy. At least I tell myself I do. And it's because of the lighting. It is a big deal. People want to see you. They want to understand what's going on in the frames. So make sure you definitely get some kind of a lighting to go along with it. All right, then the next thing is editing. You do need to edit these videos, all right? Or maybe not. I mean, some people do like raw videos, but it's not often that we just nail it on the first take. Even the best have to do multiple takes. Editing is a great way to kind of cut out some of the crap, make it simple, make it easy for people to literally get the entire gist of what you're trying to say. I like to use iMovie for this. It comes with Apple products. It's a very, very simple, basic platform to use. All right, it's a very simple program. You don't have to do much with it. It takes a couple minutes of just doing some YouTube videos, and you'll know how to use it. UCam is another one that a lot of people like too. So just maybe checking that one out also. Realistically, you're not going to put tons of graphics on this. You're not going to do all these crazy overlays unless you're good like that and you want to do it. Then you might need a more robust program. But if you just want the basics, just to nail the videos you're going to do, check out iMovie, check out UCam. Both of them will definitely serve the purpose you are trying to serve. And the last thing is be consistent with your videos. If you're going to do a blog, make sure you get a blog out every single week or however often you're going to do it. Put it on all your social media sites. Get it out there. If you're just going to do videos for things like listings or on showings, you don't have to go crazy with it. You could just do a simple 30-second video, maybe edit it on your phone, because a lot of these apps on the phone, like iMovie, will work there too on your Apple phone or your iPhone. So, just be consistent with it though. You can't just put a video out there occasionally. You got to really use it. Make it a part of what your marketing is. It's so easy to record a video nowadays. You could literally clip it or video it. You can clip it, edit it, do whatever you got to do, add some music to it if you want, and then you can post it. You can literally do all that straight from your phone. That's the amazing world we live in. Technology is insane. You got to use it for your advantage, all right? So that's how you do videos on your phone. They're not complicated. Start doing them. If you're scared of doing videos, start small. Just record yourself. You don't have to post it, but start getting used to being in front of the camera. It will totally change your business. All right? And I want to mention, if you guys like our videos, please, I encourage you to subscribe. Click the notification so you can see our other videos. We post a new blog every single Monday at 9 a.m. Central Time. This is all just great information to help you in your business. So we hope you're soaking it up. We're hoping it's helping you. And look forward to the next blog. Take care.